Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. Today's video is going to be on composting with cow manure. This composted manure pile has been here for about a year, so it's ready to be put into the garden. Willow and I are going to go get the compost right now. So basically I took some 5-gallon buckets and filled them, and then we took them over to the garden. Tig had to come and help too. You did a great job. Probably brought over about 25 to 30 of these 5-gallon buckets and just dumped them in my garden. So I basically just top dressed around all my plants. It worked really well and it was pretty easy, but it did take me a little time. Willow and Tig, they sure do have a lot of fun. They go around and around probably almost every day. Let's finish up. This area is just my radishes and my lettuce, and then there's going to be some peppers and cucumbers in that area. I'm also going to have some tomatoes in this area and broccoli. So everything's going to be composted with manure. It's going to be a fantastic garden this year. Here I'm putting some compost manure around my potatoes. The potatoes are up underneath the straw. I then take and mound the composted manure up along the potato plants. They will poke through this straw in no time. This helps me to keep the moisture in and also keep the weeds down. This area will eventually have straw placed in between the rows of the carrots, the onions, and all the other plants that I have in the garden. My plan is to have straw completely covering my whole garden. This straw will break down and it will add to the soil for next season. Whew, that was a lot of work, but I enjoyed it. So do you think this is worth doing? Absolutely. If you got this resource, use it. Spread it out in your garden. I don't till it in, I just top dress everything. The next step, I just rake it into the soil or hoe it into the soil. And then while I'm doing that, I also I'm weeding in the process. Like I've said on other videos, I do not till my garden. I just layer it every year with grass clippings, leaves, and now composted cow manure. So here we're just going to rake it in again in between my carrots and my onions. and potato plants. As I'm doing that, I'm also taking care of the weeds, and in the process, this is going to help incorporate it, into the soil. I can't wait to see how the plants do. This is probably my first year of doing this, which I should be doing it more often. But we had a nice pile of compost this year, and it just was readily available to me to use. I bet you didn't know I could work this fast, did you? Wonder why I get so much done in a day. Well, I gotta go. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Take care. Until next time.
Want me to throw that for you?